Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to use demo account on Metatrader 5. In order to use MT5 demo account, you just have to follow the steps. You could use a web browser or an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So in my case, I happen to already install the application, and when you actually and then you need to start off by opening or logging into your account. So you do not need to create an account in order to have a demo account. So demo account is basically for the beginners, where you can go ahead and explore the interface and how it actually works. So as you can see, in my case, I don't have an account. If you go to the message tab, you can see that this is my actual demo account. You'll be able to find an option as demo account, which you can go and press on it. It's going to take a couple of seconds in order to set it up, so you can wait until that's completed. And after you're done setting up the demo account, you can choose the version, and you'll be prompted to enter the login information. In some cases, you might not be asked to do any sort of information or any sort of details, all that. So then you could start practicing from here onwards. So that's how you can use demo account on Metatrader 5. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.